Hello everybody, how are you today? In this project I'm going to show you how to make a very effective green tea facial mist. As we all know, green tea is an anti-aging botanical extract, and it works really well for glowing youthful skin. So if you want a mist that will give you that look, this is a DIY project you want to watch till the end. So what do we need? We're going to need distilled water. Okay, you're going to need a clean sanitized beaker. Then we're going to need green tea extract. Okay, very important, very essential extract for organic formulators. Then we're going to use high hyaluronic acid. Remember I showed you a few days ago how to make hyaluronic acid, 1% hyaluronic acid gel. It's all natural, there's no thickener. Okay, I showed you this a while back. Look in the description box for that video. So we're going to need this hyaluronic gel, and we're going to need our preservative, and that's all. Very straightforward project. So take your formulation notebook and write this formula down. Okay, write this formula down so that you will be on the same page. So the first thing you want to do, make sure your scale is well calibrated, because this is essential for making effective beauty products. Calibrate your scale, ensure it's calibrated. Then put on your, we are going to measure 84 grams of distilled water. So write that down, 84 grams of distilled water. That is our first step. You can use distilled water or deionized water, but for home formulator, deionized water seems to be more expensive. Okay, so that's why you can use distilled water. 84 grams of distilled water, first step. Then we're going to add 8 grams of organic vegetable glycerin, 99.7. okay, this is one of the most effective. Do not buy regular, buy organic, which is 99.7 USP grade, available at pureblendnatural.com. Then we measure 8 grams of glycerin to that. 8 grams of glycerin. Mix that together. To that we're going to add hyaluronic acid gel. See the description box below for link to the video how I showed you how to make it. So that gel we are going to add 5 grams. 5 grams. The good thing about this project is that you can use it as a mist and also as a serum or even toner. So it's a multifaceted product, DIY product. So mix that together. To that we are going to add our green tea extract. We're using that at 2 grams. 2 grams of green tea extract. This is going to change the color of our beauty product, so keep that in mind. It's going to change the color slightly because that is our main extract. Mix that well. Finally, we're going to add our preservative using Huxil PE 9010 by Pure Blend Natural. We are going to use that at 1 gram. Remember, we're making 100 grams of these green tea facial mist. You can use it as a toner, as a mist, and as a serum. So we're adding 1 gram of the preservative. So if you do not have this preservative, you can also use any preservative that is available to you. Just make sure it's a broad spectrum preservative. What is a broad spectrum preservative? A broad spectrum preservative will preserve your product from mold, bacteria, and yeast. So it's all combined. This is to protect you, okay, and your skin from microbes. Mix it well. Test and adjust the pH, ensure the pH is at least between 5 and 5.5, okay? That is about it. Just make sure you test the pH and package it in a sterilized HDPE container. Highly recommended, okay? I'm using this is available at Pure Blend Natural, one of the best container to store your beauty product because it's HDPE, it's reusable, highly effective. Okay, so mix it well, adjust the pH and package it. Adjust the pH, make sure the pH is properly adjusted, and package it. This the extract we use is a standardized extract, so that's why it will discolor. It will give your product the color of the green tea. Okay, you will eventually get the color of the green tea extract. Okay, and that's about it for this project. So you can use this as a mist. So what you're going to do is pour it into a bottle that has a mist, a spray bottle. Okay, preferably a mister. This is a mister. You want to get this type. It's available at pureblendnatural.com. So pour it into a bottle like this. You want to use it as a mist. After washing your face, after toning your face, even if you haven't toned it, you can mist it on your face, rub it, and you are good to go. Mist it on your face. This is about it for this project. In my next project, okay, you ask me, how do I use this? Don't forget, after cleansing your face, apply it either as a serum or as a mist. If you want to use it as a mist, make sure you pour it into a spray bottle or that has a mister. Okay, that's about it for this highly effective project. If you want to learn how to make more beauty products that are effective, join me at StableCosmeticFormula.com, where I teach cosmetic formulation or project at a time every month. Okay, thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you the best in your formulation journey and happy formulating.